Whoa. Bubble. Stretchy bubble. Stretchy bubble. A quote by Mia. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm wearing my Valentine's Day shirt because it's Valentine's Day, and I made a video on my main channel, which is this channel, you know, about that what I got for Valentine's Day, and this one is Valentine's Day slime. So the ingredients we are going to be doing is a container to mix in / container to put slime in. We have our pink paint, which is metal paint. Some new shaving cream. I just bought this today. New lotion because my lotion ran out. Our activator is going to be borax. I haven't used borax in a while because I just don't feel like making it and stuff. I have some water to put the borax in. I have some just plain water. And I have my glue. I got this school glue today for Valentine's Day, and I've had this glue all. Comment down below if you want me to mix these two together and see what happens. I just thought of that literally right now. So I'm going to be using my school glue because I haven't used a school glue gallon before. I've just used like the tiny bottles and stuff. So that's cool. And last but not least, but they're these tiny little parts. I'll show you them close up. That's what they look like. There's different colors and stuff. And I just had these at my house. You probably can get them at like Hobby Lobby, anywhere. Sorry, there's a shadow right there. I don't even know what that is actually. And I'll just gonna use some napkins. So let's just get slimy. Okay, let's get crafty. Oh, and I forgot to say mixing utensil, you know. That's kind of helpful. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is lay down 2 napkins, just right there, just in case anything spills out. And my mixing utensil next to it. But first, let's make our activator. Our activator is going to be just some water. Warm water, cold water, it really doesn't matter. And you're just going to use this borax laundry detergent. You can just glimpse how much you need. Like, that's probably enough. Okay, our activator is all done. Now let's start getting the slime ready. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is just add your glue. Comment down below if you want me to do a video on testing glues. Because there's so many different glues. There's like gel glue. There's that purple glue that dries clear. Wonder if it dries clear. Okay, so I have this glue in here. I'm just going to add my lotion. Okay. Now we're going to add the shaving cream. I've seen all YouTubers use it. They say it's like the best shaving cream to use. And it's only $2. I got it at Tom Thumb today. But I've never used it before, so. Ooh. Whoa. It is definitely fluffier than the one I just usually use. You could see them all in my videos. Okay, I'm going to add up just a little bit more. My dog's in here. Okay, so now we're going to add some water. Just water. This is not the borax, right? Yeah, this is not the borax. I've heard that if you add water to your slime, it actually makes it really stretchy at the end result. So I just started using water, and it actually does, so. Now it's next for our paint. I'm using a pink color because why not? It's Valentine's Day.
Mix, mix, mix.
Wow, actually, this is a really cool color for slime. Okay, guys, if you can't see, it's okay. I think I kind of overflowed it. But now I'm going to start adding my activator. Okay, there's no way. I'm going to start using my hands. I'm going to go ahead and add a few of these beads. This might need some more borax, actually. This might take a while. Definitely thickening up. Let me just show you this beauty, though. Look at that. Wow. I recommend using this shaving cream, actually. Thank you to all the people that recommended that for me. So whoever recommended it to me, thank you, and I'll recommend it to you. So I'm going to clean this all up, and I will be back at the end for some ASMR. Let's get to it. Okay, guys, this is how the final product of the slime turned out. Very stretchy, like the stretchiest, fluffy slime I probably ever made since I started making slime. I know that's a long time, but still. So stretchy. And now it has one heart thing in here. It's somewhere around here. Oh, here it is. I'll just take it right out. And now I'm going to show you ASMR without the beads. I keep on wanting to call them foam beads. Without the beads and with the beads. So let's get to it. Here is ASMR without the foam beads. And now ASMR with the beads. That was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below what you liked better, like it with the slime. Like, did you like it with the beads like it is now, or without the beads like it was? So comment down below that, and comment down below what your favorite holiday is. Valentine's Day is probably one of my favorite holidays, but Christmas is my favorite. Comment down below what your favorite. So until next time, guys,